UDK159 is VELP's fully automatic and cloud-enabled Kjeldahl analyzer for the determination of nitrogen and protein following official methods. The UDK159 incorporates state-of-the-art technology for simultaneous distillation and titration with an integrated colorimetric titrator. It is designed to provide accurate, precise, and reproducible results to laboratories requiring productivity and safety in the food, feed, environmental, chemical, and pharmaceutical fields. The intuitive user interface and the bright 7-inch touchscreen make the UDK159 a smart and easy-to-use analyzer, ensuring full traceability of data. The user management option ensures security and compliance, granting access with 3 levels of authorization. Furthermore, the UDK159 can be upgraded with the optional 21 CFR Part 11 package for FDA compliance. To start, homogenize the sample and transfer it into a VELP test tube. Connect the UDK159 to a balance for a seamless data transfer. The optional barcode reader simplifies data management and speeds up the analysis preparation, avoiding transcription errors. Choose from the rich library of pre-installed methods or create a new one following the guided procedure. The multitasking software allows the user to set up a series of analyses, saving valuable time. The comfortable lever guides the operator to load the test tube into the correct position. The reagents are automatically dosed using the high-precision pumps and burette, providing a simple and safe operation for reliable analytical results. The powerful steam flow with variable steam output ensures maximum versatility for any application requirement, powered by the patented steam generator. The unique technopolymer splash head guarantees exceptional chemical resistance and allows ammonia to proceed for condensation. The patented titanium condenser guarantees efficient thermal exchange and low water consumption for a total nitrogen recovery. The UDK159's integrated colorimetric titrator provides reliable results as it is based on precise chemical reactions of indicators and simplifies users' activities as there is no need for time-consuming maintenance or additional costs for calibration. With a very low limit of detection, the UDK159 is the perfect choice for any sample matrix. At the end of the analysis, automatic tube draining helps save valuable time. The UDK159 stores the analysis results in the onboard archive. It is possible to export data to a PC and LIMS in multiple formats via USB or Ethernet. Nitrogen determination reaches a new level with the VELP Hermes Cloud Platform, the smart lab solution allowing real-time monitoring of your UDK159 wherever you are at any time. VELP Hermes ensures UDK159 maximum uptime with remote service and application support. Access from a PC, smartphone, or tablet to manage multiple instruments, analysis data, and instrument working conditions, receiving immediate event and alarm notifications. VELP UDK159, the premium Kjeldahl distillation unit designed just for you.